Hello, you guys, and welcome. Today's video is going to be so much fun. I have a bunch of beauty items here for you guys that I found on Amazon, and they're all really good. These are products that I've been using for quite some time now, so I have actually been able to try them out, and I know that they're good. And one of the products sells 100,000 units a month. Like, what? How is that even possible? And it's one of my favorites. If you guys are new, my name is Wendy. I like all things skincare, beauty. I'm in my 40s. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. All right. So the first thing we're going to start with, it is a supplement, but it goes along with your skin, your hair, your nails, all that jazz. So this is from Nutra Harmony. This is their biotin collagen, nails, hair, and skin. And this has 25,000 mcgs of vitamins B12, B3, B6, B7. And if you know, you know, that is all going to help with your hair, skin, and nails. You take 2 gummies a day and the flavor is so good. It says it's a berry flavor, but it really smells like raspberry. And that's what they look like. These are so yummy. I actually forget that they're even a supplement. I just kind of treat them as like a little treat in the morning. I'm like, after I finish my coffee, I'm like, oh, I'll have my gummies. And it's kind of like having some candy. I know, I'm like a child. But anyways, I've really been enjoying these. Okay, so these two kind of go together. You have to buy them separately, but this is the Jergens Glow. This is the body lotion. You can use this all over. You can use this on your face as well. This is a gradual sunless tanner. And then I also have these sun drops, which you can add into any lotion you want. You could add it into your skincare. You could add it into your sunscreen, your moisturizer in the morning, or you can add it into just a regular lotion. But I have been loving these. This one is for medium to deep skin tones. It's a sunless tanner, but it also just brightens your skin and just gives you a pretty glow. I love this stuff. And it doesn't have that stinky sunless tanner smell that you might sometimes notice. And same with this one. They actually smell really nice. So yeah, like with this one, I just take a couple drops and add it to my favorite lotion. And then I'll just apply this. Usually what I do is I apply this at night before I go to bed. And then I wake up with a nice, pretty glow. Okay, this one is the product that sells 100,000 a month. How is that even possible? This is a retinol skin booster. And if you have sensitive skin like me, it is really hard for me to find a retinoid that is not going to irritate my skin. This one, legit, it's like a serum. So it's super hydrating. It's super hydrating and it is not irritating at all. So it goes on like that. It looks like a serum. It will completely dry down. It's not going to be shiny on your face, but this is such a good option if you have sensitive skin. I tried tretinoin for a while and my face was a mess. It was just peeling. It was not pretty. So I've really been enjoying that. And there's a reason that so many of these have sold. I have just noticed my skin feels and looks more smooth, and it even is helping with my uneven skin tone. It's just kind of evening everything out, and it does help give me a glow. So I love this stuff. All right, we're going to talk about a hair care item. So I have been on a hair growth journey. Like I said, I'm in my 40s, and so the hormones are just, my hair is not how it used to be. So I got these products. It's Botana oil, shampoo and conditioner, and these have pumpkin seed, rosemary, castor oil, and those are just going to help promote healthy hair. It's going to help promote hair growth. It's just going to make your hair shinier. I have already noticed a difference. I've only been using it for a few weeks now, and I am already obsessed. It has a really nice scent. The shampoo has caffeine in it too. Okay, cool. So what I like to do is I will kind of spend a lot more time on my shampoo. I just kind of give myself like a scalp massage, and I will leave it on there for a good 3 to 5 minutes just to kind of let it do its thing. And then I will follow up with the conditioner. But I have been loving these. They are a little on the smaller side. They are a little pricey for the size you're getting, but you're getting really good ingredients, and it's actually a really good shampoo and conditioner. Okay, now we're going to talk about a couple makeup items. I am obsessed with this. This is the L'Oreal Age Perfect Blurring Face Primer. This is such a nice prep for your makeup. It's a rosy color, and it's a blurring serum. So it's going to be hydrating, but it's really going to help blur those imperfections on your face before you put on your makeup. And I mean, you could just use this by itself. I don't know if you guys can see a difference, but it is such a nice, pretty finish. It will dry down a little bit, but it looks more on the matte side. It seems to fill in my pores. It just makes my makeup glide on so much easier. And I can't get over how many of these have sold per month as well. So this is a good one. And I like to pair it sometimes with the Age Perfect foundation, the serum foundation. I use that quite often, but I kind of go back and forth between that and my color changing foundation. That one is like my all-time favorite. I actually have a dedicated video on that one because it's so good. It adapts to your skin color, so you don't have to worry about what color you bought. You don't have to worry about buying the wrong color. So that is one of my faves. But this works so good at blurring your imperfections and just giving you a nice base to do your makeup. Okay, and then this is one of my newest favorites. This is a plumping lip gloss volumizer. Now, I love lip plumpers. I've pretty much tried them all. This one is such a pretty color and it doesn't hurt. It doesn't like tingle or anything, but it just kind of gives you a little, like you can feel it working. And I just think it's such a pretty color. I love this shade. Anything pinky like that. And I do like that it's a little bit thicker, so I feel like it stays on your lips a little bit longer. I don't like the ones that go on and like after you drink something or eat a little bit, it's gone. So this one will stay on your lips. If you don't like the stickier ones, you might not like it, but I love this formula. All right, the last three are my tried and true red light therapy. Okay, I got this. This is a red light therapy face and body spray. Now, this is just going to help your devices work so much better. This one has copper peptides, light penetration enhancers, and red light therapy activated DNA repair enzymes. So if you've never tried red light therapy, you are missing out. First of all, I swear by it. I can notice a change in my skin when I stop using it. My skin just looks less plump. I have tried to get rid of a lot of my sun damage on my chest with my neck and chest device. I'll show you guys that in a second, but I swear by it. It just helps plump up my skin. I'm going to be 46 and oh my gosh, this week. I feel like it has helped me so much and I am holding off on getting Botox and I feel like red light therapy is helping. It's helping because I'm trying to go as long as possible without getting it. So I like to use this. I'll spray it all over my face, all over my chest, and then I'll put on these two devices. So this is the Inia neck and chest device, and I love this thing. It's super comfortable. It's hands-free, so you can put it on. I don't want to put it on right now. I don't want to mess up my mic, but this is what it looks like, and it just goes right around your neck, and then I tuck it into my shirt, and then I tuck this right into my shirt as well, and I'm hands-free. I can walk around the house. So this is what it looks like on. It's got tons of lights on here. It's going to cover a lot. And then there's 3 different modes you can do it. I do it for 30 minutes. I just turn it on for 30 and then I'll read, I'll clean the house, do whatever. And then before I know it, it's turning off. So it does have the red light. It has red H. And then it's also got yellow light. So if your skin is a little irritated, this will help out with that. And then it also has the NIR, and that's going to give you the most anti-aging benefits out of all of them. And that's what I use. And I swear by this thing. I love it. And then to charge it, you just plug it in right there and you can charge it. Now let me show you my face mask, the best one I've ever tried. And I've tried quite a few. I love this one. And this is from You Like. And it is such a good one. So first of all, it's pretty. Kind of looks like a golf ball. And the eye, it's completely open here, but look at that. Like you have such good eye protection right here. And the strap is super comfortable. It is a little heavy. And I mean, you can be hands-free and walk around, but I like to just sit down while I'm wearing it because it is a little heavy, but it's very comfortable. Now, what you will notice with this is see how there's 4 different lights in each one. You are getting 4 times what you would get on any other mask. This one is going to just work that much better. And so this one also has 4 different modes. It has the glow mode. It has the firm mode, which is going to give you the most anti-aging. This is the one I use. It's got rejuvenate, and then it also has clear. Depending on what your skincare concerns are, this thing can help you with pretty much anything. And I swear by this. Oh, and my favorite thing about this thing is it's only for 8 minutes. You can do anything for 8 minutes. So I do love that this one is quick and easy. I actually notice a difference in my skin. I have another one from Amiro, but that one doesn't have as many lights. It works, but this one works so much better. All right, guys, those are my favorite Amazon beauty products for the time being. As always, I will have everything linked down in the description box and in the comment section. As always, let me know if you guys have any questions on anything. I will try to do my best to answer them. And I hope you guys have a great day. We'll see you all soon. Bye.